Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. If you guys are new to the channel, click subscribe, hit the bell for notifications to stay up to speed with our lessons. Stay tuned, we are starting right now. Okay, so to play the chord C, you're going to use fret 1, 2 and 3. You're also going to use fingers 1, 2 and 3. Finger number 1 is going to play fret number 1. Finger number 2 is going to play fret 2. And finger number 3 is going to play fret 3. So take finger number 1, fret 1, but the second string, the B string, and press down. Now take finger number 2, skip one string, go to the 4th string, the D string, the 2nd fret, and press down. And now finger number 3 is going to stretch a bit to fret number 3, to the 5th string, the A string, and press down. So now you can see from 5 to 1, from A to E, you've got finger number 3, 2, open, finger number 1, and open again. That is the chord C, but you have to mute the top E, the daddy, otherwise it's going to sound horrible. It's going to sound something like this. You do not want that, so bring your thumb around the neck, just keep it there. Mute the E. Much better. That is the chord C. Alright, well done. You guys know 4 chords now. You know A, you know D, you know G, and you've learned the chord C. So once again, practice the switching between the chords. What goes slowly with C, the finger positions are a bit different than the other chords. So for this week, just switch between C and G. Go slow. You can always move from G to D, but go slowly, go back to C again. It's up to you. You make up your mind, play with it, have fun with it, and just keep on learning it. That's it for this week's lesson. Keep practicing the chord C, also the other 3 chords. Click subscribe, hit the bell, follow on Instagram, and join our new Facebook community page. I'll see you guys next week.